Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily download and install fonts to your Pixellab application. So firstly, to get started, you need to download the Zai Archiver app from your Google Play Store. We'll be needing this app to extract the fonts from their zip files. So here's how it looks like on Google Play Store. I have it installed already, and that is why it's showing this open button right here instead of install. So the next thing we are going to do is to head over to our browser. I'll be using the Chrome browser and search for the font.com dafont.com. This is the font website we'll be downloading the font from. So here's how the interface looks like. You can just simply download any font from here by clicking on this download button. But if you have a font name in mind already that you just want to download directly, then gently zoom in to this search bar right here, and search for the font name. Let's take for example the name of the font is we use Oli. Let's say the name of the font is Oli. That's the font name. Simply search for Oli, and you are going to see various suggestions, and you can just download any of them from here, clicking on this download button. Otherwise, if you are just new to graphic design, you don't have a font name in mind already, you just want to download any nice font, you can search for the font by their categories, their various categories from here. This bar right here. So let's take for example, you want to design a birthday flyer and you need a script font, maybe for the name of the celebrant. You can just gently zoom in and search for script right here. Under the script section, you can just download any font from there. So these are basic fonts as well. This foreign look, bitmap, techno, and this fancy. So let's take for example, I want to download fonts from this comic section. I'll just click on comic right here, and you will see various suggestions. So I'll just download anyone. For example, let's take this for example, this bouncy font right here. I'll just click on download, wait for it to download, and click on, let's see, then click on open from here and click on Zycover app, or you can just go to your Zycover app directly and open the file from there, either of the two. So now look at this font and you will see .otf, .otf. For some you'll find both .otf and .ttf. So both works, and in some cases, depending on the font, some might not actually work. So it's advisable to import all to your application. So to import all, simply click on this three dotted icon right here, click on multi select, gently tap on the three, click on this check icon, click here again, and select a destination folder. So I already have a folder I created to export my fonts into, and I'll just search for it from here, my font. Or if you don't have a folder, just click on this plus icon right here, click on new folder, name your folder, and click on OK. As simple as that. So I just extract it to my font, click on this icon right here, and you will receive the message archive successfully decomposed. So now the next thing to do is to go back to your Pixellab application where you want to import the fonts into. Click on this text or simply create a new text from here. Then look for font, this particular one, and click on my font and click on this icon right here. You'll be redirected to your font storage. So if it does not go to your folder, the folder you just created by default, then if it appears like this, You just simply have to locate the folder from you and click on it. So the name of the fonts we just downloaded is, actually I can't remember. Let's see for me. So the name of the font is Bouncy, right? Now just search for Bouncy right here. So here's the font we just downloaded, and I'll just click on it one by one. I can actually import the three at a time by pressing and hold it. Import the three at a time. But sometimes the three variants might not work. In some cases, all might work, and in some cases, all might not work. So I just import it one by one. So you can see this is the font we just imported. Click on it, and there you have the font. So that is just that about it on how to download and install fonts to your Pixellab application. If you cannot find a particular font you are looking for on that font.com, there are many other font websites you can use, and I'll show you. Just search for fonts website list, and you will see lots of font websites you can actually download from that font scorer, font space, font struct, Google Font, Bfont, Behance, Creative Market, Font Share, and the rest of them. So if you cannot find the particular font you are looking for on that font, you can download from any of these websites. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.